We need this and this. Ooh. I'm doing a little surgery here. Drone is broken, so I have to open it and see what is going on. This bastard here has some issues, so I have a problem. This is not long enough to get inside here. And my cats are gonna have something new. New screwdriver, I'll try again. So I wanna have a shot of mountains, but from the distance. As you see, there are plenty of them, and I like this shot from this side. So I have to find a place where I can park over here, set my drone and take few pictures, because it is really remarkable. I like this cloudy weather with a little bit of sun, as you see, and today we had a snow. The mountains are covered by snow and a little bit of mist, so yeah, let's do it. So I think this gonna be nice stop. What do you think, guys? I think it's gonna be perfect stop. It starts snowing also, so yeah, perfect moment, guys. I got hungry without the sugar. Fantastic. If you remove sugar from food, you actually start feeling how food really tastes, because with the sugar all you feel is sugar, not the food itself. Get rid of sugar forever. Garbage. If you need to use it, use honey. Holy moly, look at that! We have a sun over the mountain. What? Faster! It's a little bit windy, so it's gonna be a challenge. Set him like a super high and have a stable footage. I have to buy Air 3S here in Europe, because the small ones don't handle very well the wind. Larger one much better. By the way, green tea with the mango. I hate green tea, but with the mango, such a flavor. Let's do this. I still didn't fix the drone. I cannot. Hey there, guys. When this little one gonna start flying. Weird. Let's do this. It's too cold for being outside. So let's fly from here and let's see what we can get. One shot. It's pretty nice. The weather is changing, so this is like a one shot. I wanna do to have all this mountain. I'm gonna use separate shots, and then I'm gonna try to combine those in Photoshop. I think it's gonna look remarkable. But yeah, I'm gonna have to Photoshop it. I do like the clouds. Everything is just so beautiful and perfect. This shot gonna be amazing. If I'm gonna combine everything, I'm gonna put it on a wall. Perfection. I'm playing with manual exposition right now to have this shot a little bit darker. Ew. I will go a little bit up to have more sky, because this sky right now is just magical. So with those mountains, it's gonna look phenomenal. We are coming back. It starts snowing, guys. Okay, we are good. The hero itself, the mini beast. I took like, I think 40 shots, so we are good. Finally I have this shot. I was planning to do this for a very long time. I really like winter, that's why the winter shot for me, it is not the best. We can come back here someday and do like a full winter wrap where it's like snowing. This is looking amazing when like everything here is like, you know, covered by snow. It's still snowing. We have this beautiful mountains with the sky on it, with the sun, you know, lighting on it. It is fantastic, it is beautiful. So let's open Photoshop, let's choose photo merge, and let's combine all those shots from different kind of angles. So this is great, we didn't have it previously, but now literally Photoshop combine everything. Look at this, guys, we have literally two different kind of shots. Here we have on the larger one around 30 pictures, combine it, and it's really did amazing work. It adjusts brightness, everything, so it worked very well. So let's take the bottom one. This is what I'm interested in. I'm gonna frame it very wide because I want to place it on my wall, and I want to focus here on the mountain itself. So the bottom part where we have our homes, I want to kind of remove it, and we're gonna use a lens blur. So we're gonna focus on the mountains. As you see, we have to right now find the focal point of the whole pictures. So we're gonna go all the way to the end. Okay, now it's looking nice, and this bottom part we have blurred, but as you see, some of the mountains are, well, a little bit blurred, so we have to stretch a little bit this focal point. Okay, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna fix, of course, a little bit of brightness. We're gonna add this contrast and this like a darker mode. I still want to have this brightness all around, but you know, with the strong dark elements here and there. Of course, image is looking nice. I prefer to have it a little bit warmer and a little bit grimmer. Also, I will go with the texture a little bit up to have this this image a little bit sharper and graded more toward not blue but like a teal color. And yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. Let's denoise it a little bit. I think also the bottom part we can make a little bit darker. So yeah, let's work on it, and yeah, we're gonna see the effect at the end.